Hey, all state, it's Chuck with Mission Roofing. We're out at 3308 River Run Trail, Decatur, Georgia. Property owner's named Brian. We are doing an attempted repair. There's significant wind and hail damage out on this roof. The discrepancy here is the repairability. As you can see, this shingle is creased. If we're in agreement that that's one of the shingles that needs to be replaced, I'm going to attempt to replace this shingle and see if any other shingles are compromised during this repair. As you can see, while removing this shingle, this shingle has been compromised, as well as this shingle right here, and some creasing going on here. Now, let me slide the new shingle in and nail it down. You can see during this repair attempt, there's been consequential damages to the surrounding shingles. This is the original 3-tab builder grade shingle that's been up here since this this property was built. It has compromised, consequential damages during the loss or during the attempt of this repair. Now, instead of one shingle being damaged, we have multiple shingles that are damaged. Hope this video justifies the repairability. Thank you and have a good day. I'll just zoom in on the damages.